What if the vast silent void of space wasn't a vacuum? Imagine a universe where space was filled with air, a breathable atmosphere extending across galaxies. How would this change the cosmos, our planet, and our very existence? Welcome to Knowledge Hub. Today, we'll explore this mind-bending hypothetical scenario and uncover why the emptiness of space is essential for the universe as we know it. To picture space filled with air, we need to redefine its fundamental properties. Normally, space is a near-perfect vacuum with minimal particles per cubic meter. This vacuum allows celestial objects to move freely and light to travel vast distances uninterrupted. Now, if we replace the vacuum with air, let's assume an oxygen-rich atmosphere, it would drastically alter everything, starting with the stars themselves. Stars rely on the vacuum of space to radiate their energy. Without a vacuum, the heat and pressure from stars would ignite the surrounding air, causing a chaotic chain reaction. This could snuff out stars or turn them into uncontrollable fireballs, destabilizing entire galaxies. Planets, including Earth, would face their own problems. The additional atmospheric pressure would crush many celestial bodies. Gravity would no longer dictate planetary orbits as precisely, and collisions between planets might become more frequent due to the drag caused by air resistance. In a universe filled with air, movement becomes a struggle. Air resistance would slow down planets, moons, and other celestial objects. Satellites and space stations would lose their orbits and plummet back to their home planets. Even light itself, which travels freely through a vacuum, would scatter in the dense medium, dimming the stars and rendering distant galaxies invisible. Our view of the cosmos would shrink dramatically. Could an air-filled space support life? In theory, organisms might adapt to such an environment, thriving on the abundant oxygen and nitrogen. But the overwhelming pressure and friction from constant movement would make survival difficult for any form of life. For humans, the idea of a breathable space might sound like a dream. No spacesuits, no pressurized habitats, just endless exploration. But this dream would turn into a nightmare as our planet's atmosphere would merge with this universal air, creating devastating storms and temperature shifts that could obliterate ecosystems. One of space's defining characteristics is its silence. Sound waves require a medium like air to travel. If space were filled with air, the universe would be deafening, with every solar flare, asteroid collision, and black hole eruption creating noise that could travel for millions of miles. This cacophony would make the serene, contemplative beauty of space a chaotic and overwhelming experience. Earth's atmosphere acts as a shield, protecting us from harmful cosmic radiation and retaining the oxygen we need to survive. If space were filled with air, this protective barrier would lose its purpose. Over time, Earth's atmosphere would dissipate, leaving the planet exposed to dangerous cosmic forces. This means our breathable air, instead of being a resource, would become a liability in the larger cosmic chaos. While the idea of space filled with air sounds fascinating, the vacuum of space is essential for the universe to function as it does. The silence and emptiness allow stars to burn, planets to orbit, and life on Earth to thrive. Space's vast void reminds us of the delicate balance that governs the cosmos. It's a balance we must respect as we explore its wonders. Thank you for watching Knowledge Hub. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious and keep reaching for the stars.